Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Dexcom G7 app on your iPhone and signing in. This lets the transmitter communicate. Once done, make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are enabled on the phone so the app can discover devices. Put the Apple Watch on your wrist and unlock it. Make sure it's paired to the same Apple ID as your iPhone. Now tap the Dexcom app on the phone and choose Add Sensor to start the pairing sequence. Follow on-screen prompts to proceed. You will now add the Apple Watch as a receiver inside the Dexcom app. Select the watch from the device list and allow the app to request permissions. Make sure you grant notifications, background app refresh, and health access so readings can update continuously. Then accept any pairing codes shown on both devices. This verifies secure connection. After confirming, the app searches for the G7 sensor and transmitter. Be patient and keep devices close until you see the confirmation message that pairing succeeded. You finish by confirming glucose values display on the Apple Watch and in the Dexcom app. Add a complication to your watch face for faster checks. Once readings flow, make sure alerts are configured on both watch and iPhone so you don't miss highs or lows. If data doesn't appear, restart Bluetooth and both apps, then check that health permissions remain granted. If problems persist, unpair the watch from the Dexcom receiver and repeat the pairing steps. That single restart or repair often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.